Hello, geocachers. Dwayne here. If you remember in episode 1, we talked about how to build a geocache page for a jigsaw puzzle type of mystery cache. And we built this page. Just a quick reminder, we gave it a rating. We have two sets of coordinates, virtual coordinates, which we see, and real coordinates, which are hidden. We wrote some verbiage. We told the geocachers that it's not at the posted coordinates. We entered a hint. We added a little picture and we added a background image. So the next step in this process of building a puzzle cache that includes a jigsaw puzzle is we have to build it within a program called Jigidi. So I'm going to click on the Jigidi link, and that brings us to the home page. And one of the things that that it's important that you do here is that you create your own Jigidi account because you're going to need that down the road to help you build the Certitude solver. So we are in GeoGene, and I want to create a puzzle. So I'm going to hit create, and that brings us to where you insert the puzzle at, and you can either drag and drop it or you can choose image. I will click choose image, and I've already pre-selected an image for this particular puzzle, but if you're doing a number of these things, then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to have all your images pre-selected. Now I will hit upload. That brings the image in, and we have an opportunity to designate the number of pieces. You can go up to 357, but let me tell you, 357 pieces is not any fun, and we want people to have fun with these. Usually we'll pick 126 to 130, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to drop it back down to 12 pieces, hit create. It's going to mix them up, put them in a bowl, and create a little puzzle. There it is. It's 12 pieces, no comments yet. There's several things that we can add to this page. We can add a title, which I think is a good thing to do. You don't really need a description. It's not going to do anything for you or the geocaching community. And you don't need a keyword. But what you do need is you need a show message on completion. And there you go. Nicely done. Enter this code word in the Certitude checker on the cache page. So that is what we need to have. Luna Lamb, that is the key word. We will hit save here. Now that it's saved, we will click solve puzzle. It's going to mix it up. This is what the cacher is going to see. There you go. We're almost done. Here's the fun part. So when we put the last piece in, you will get the code word. Nicely done. Enter this code word in the Certitude checker on the cache page, Luna Lamb. That's what the cacher is going to enter. After clicking solve puzzle, this is where we are going to go to get the link that we need to put into our cache page. So if you look at the top, it says, here we go, it says solve. That's the link that you want. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to the cache page and hit edit cache. Now we're in edit mode. And I'm going to emphasize this one more time because it's really important that we understand. If you're on this page, you can come up to the top and it's going to say that we have a puzzle, or it's going to say created. that is not the link that you need. You have to click on the button that says Solve Puzzle to get the special link that has the word solve in it. That is what we're looking for. We're going to go to our geocache page. We're going to scroll down to where the language is. I'm going to put my cursor right below my initial verbiage. I'm going to use this button here to move it to the center because I'd like to center this link. I'm going to click this little deal that looks like a chain. That's a hyperlink. It brings us to this little box. I'm going to paste the link right in there. And then I'm going to type in some text. You could just have this link show up, right? That would be okay, but I like to make it a little more professional, and we'll type some text in. So click here for puzzle. There you go. And then we'll put a little exclamation point in to make it a little prettier. Click OK. Scroll up to the size. We're going to make it 20. I'm going to make it bold. You could do some other things too if you wanted to change it up a little bit. And let's say we wanted to have the background or the text red, and then we wanted to have the background blue. You could do that. That doesn't look very good to me, but it might work for you. There we go. That looks a little better. Click here for puzzle. Now let's just test this out to see if it works. We're going to click Save and Preview. Bring us back to the cache page, and it says click here for puzzle. I'm going to click, hit OK, and there it is. It took us right to the page. Now, the only reason why the puzzle is showing up as being completed is because I've already solved it. The geocacher, when they click it for the first time, and I'm going to click this, there you go. That's what the geocacher is going to see. So I am going to go back and click cancel. So there you have it. You have exactly what we need to make a Jigidi puzzle and put it into a cache page. Now, the next step in this process is to complete the Certitude checker, and that is going to be in episode 3. So with that, I am going to let you go, and I will see you in episode 3. Thanks for watching.